testing of LED. This is a series test of electrical. So you have to test it. This is a LED okay. This LED not working. This is okay. Not this is working. This is not working. Okay. So this is the electrical system. You have to series connection, series test. So the LED bulb is there. So it is working or not working. So either this will be glow. This means the LED will be okay. Working condition. Okay. Another way testing is multimeter. First of all, the multimeter setting as the buzzer symbol. Is a buzzer symbol. Okay. Then to select it this point and to test it. This is short circuit. This is not working. Okay. This is working. This some resistance is shown. This is on, means the LED will be okay. This is okay. This is okay. This is okay, and this is not working, so it will be damaged. So this is the LED will connected series, so you have to replace and the short circuited. Then this will be damaged. Therefore, I will be change this place. Okay. This is okay. This is not working in this condition, or maybe to plus minus alternate whether it is okay or okay. Okay, it's okay. This is okay. This is not working. This is not working. The two LED is damaged, have to be short circuited. This connected series, so you have to replace it and test. Okay. Then second thing is this is China market, China LED bulb. You have tested whether it is working or not. Then similarly you have to test a series test. This is okay. This is not working. This is working. This LED will be okay. Okay. This is okay. This is not working. This is LED will be damaged. Okay. So you have tested using a multimeter. This is okay. The LED will glow. Okay. Then this will be tested. This is not working. This will be damaged, and this will be applying heat in this bottom, and then to replace and use this LED. Then this circuit will be okay. Thank you.